Hey everybody, Dr. Schusterman here, the Cooking Doc, and I have some exciting news. We've just reached 1,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Thanks to you all. I think over the last couple years we've made tons of improvements with our recipes, with our content, with our videos, but I really think we're just scratching the surface of what we can do. I want us to reach 10,000 subscribers, and I want you to tell me how we can improve our content to get there. There are so many people out there who need to change their buds, so many people out there looking to improve their health by eating better foods and learning to cook healthier foods and healthier recipes. So I think we can do it. I just need your help. If you know somebody out there that needs to change their buds, I need you to share our channel with them and tell me what you need me to cook to help them change their taste buds. I think 10,000 is coming. We just need your help to get there. Thank you so much again for watching, and we'll see you at 10,000 subscribers.